Hey team, Brian and Annett here. I, along with my brother and our families, own and operate Annett bus lines. Behind me is our wall of history. We started in 1976 when my mom and dad fought regulation to provide a much needed private bus service to Central Florida. For the last 44 years, we've grown to become one of the leading providers in the state of Florida and throughout the entire country. We have safely transported countless passengers over millions of miles in our 44 years. Today, this pandemic shutdown of our society threatens our very existence and the livelihoods of over 120 employees. In the past, we faced insurance crisis, the terrible 9/11 tragedy. We faced massive driver shortages and times of huge interest rates. We faced economic crisis, $5 a gallon diesel fuel, but none of these terrible trends come close to the threat we face today from the impacts of the shutdown of the service industry resulting from COVID-19. And it's not just our company. Our entire industry is off the road today. Thousands of buses are parked in lots, engines shut down, and drivers wondering when this all will end. For us, today means one vehicle on the road out of 60. To date, we have not laid off one employee. We are guiding our drivers through the unemployment benefit process. Our office and shop staff have had hours reduced, and we are in the process of totally suspending operations to comply with the President's request to stay home for 15 days and do our part not to spread the virus. But our people can't stay home with no income. Our business, like any other business, cannot survive a sustained period of total inactivity. Here's the key. Today, we are self-financing this incredible burden. We don't want to lay off or terminate personnel. We have good people who do great work. They deserve better. But today, we have near $0 of revenue coming into our business. Here's the ask. Retweet, like, comment, and anything else you feel that can help us carry our message to the President and the Governor of Florida to give us access to necessary assistance so we can provide our company and our people as they deserve. Today, we need Florida to declare as a disaster area. This gives us access to small business loans. Without that declaration, we have no assistance. And we need to be included with other service industries such as airlines, hotels, cruise lines in the discussion of being 100% backstopped by our government. Just to be clear, we don't need a tax cut. We need cash to our employees. We can manage our business, but we can't manage decisions being made that totally obliterate any and all of our funding sources. Thank you for listening and your concern for our industry. Remember, we're usually the first call during mass evacuation and crisis. We are a stakeholder in essential services. Hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, ice storms, every natural disaster, we are called upon to transport precious passengers out of harm's way. But today, we are an overlooked industry. I'll be communicating via Twitter regularly as we conquer this challenge together, but we can't do it without immediate interaction with our local, state, and federal government. We are the small business industry you are all talking about. Please pass our message along. When emergency evacuations happen, society calls on us. Today, we call on you to recognize the desperate need of our industry and every employee who depends on it. Until tomorrow, wash your hands and stay safe, friends. And thank you for your time and sharing this message with the nation.